Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be sharing with you the new Lookfantastic Summer Skin Beauty Box. It's a one-off beauty box and it costs £45, but if you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty subscription box, then you are able to purchase it for £40 by using code SUMMERSUBS. I'll pop it down below in the description, as well as links to this box, plus any other limited editions and this subscription, so you'll find it all down there. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Inside you find 9 products worth £164 and there's a Santropay variation. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. We've got a card here and it details everything about the products inside the box. I haven't opened it up yet. I have seen it online. As soon as it was posted last week, I shared it everywhere on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. But this is the first time actually opening it up. It contains some of my favourite products, namely this massive one in the corner here. So we'll go through it one by one, showing you exactly what's inside. But is there any information about it? No. Starting off, we got a product by Medigate. This is an Advanced Day Eye Protect Cream. It has SPF 30 and it's 5-star UVA, and there's 15 mils here. I wear SPF all the time, but I am cautious about how close I go to my eyes. If ever you've had sunscreen in your eyes, you will know about it. It's horrible, really horrible. But to actually have an eye cream that has SPF 30 on it, that is good. That's what it looks like. It says, for when the delicate eye area needs a little extra protection, the Medigate Advanced Day Eye Protect provides a protective shield to defend from environmental aggressors. Plus, we've added SPF 30. This formula provides the ultimate protection for your delicate eye area. That's the first item in the box. If I'm looking rather glowy, I have just been testing out new Charlotte Tilbury products. I've got a little reel coming up. I'm doing a voiceover, but you'll be able to see that in a couple of days. It's only going to be a mini video, but yeah. Not everything I like. It's okay. You just have to wait and see. Next up, we got a Lancome product. This is Beauty Sublime Tan. This is a body milk and SPF 15. Using full light technology to provide protection against all 4 sun rays, UVA, UVB, visible light and infrared. The sun cream helps to prevent damage whilst also maintaining skin firmness and elasticity for a youthful looking appearance. So I won't be doing any swatches using the SPFs because I tend to keep them until I actually know I'm going to use them, and I'm just going to stick to using them. Yeah, although saying that SPF 15, that is super low. For me anyway. I'm 50 most of the year with a 30 in the winter. Very rare I have a 15. Next, we've got Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream lip protectant stick SPF 15. It's just like a lipstick. Yeah, really lovely. This handy stick is perfect to take with you anywhere to treat dry chapped lips or to protect your lips against the sun and the environment. There's that. Next up, we've got a Santropay Fake Tan. This is Self Tan, a Luxe Whipped Cream Mousse, and we've got 50 mils here. I'm not sure if I've tried this before, unless it looks different. The packaging has changed. I've tried lots of Santropay Fake Tans and they're great. Yeah, really great. But Luxe Whipped, I don't know. It could be a new one for me. Promote a lit from within look with this dreamy Santropay whipped cream mousse. The buildable mousse allows you to add layer after layer of buildable tan to a shade that suits you. An infusion of jojoba helps to nourish the skin, encouraging it to last for up to 10 days after application. I'm going to have to look into that. Fake tan there. Did I say how much is in there? Yeah. And to go with that, we've got a Santropay mitt. A tanning mitt. Achieve a flawless finish with the professional tanning application mitt from St Tropez, designed to help you create a streak-free finish all over your body, ensures a smooth, silky look that lasts. Is that it? Next, we've got a product by Too Faced. This is Hangover Good to Go Sun Protecting SPF 25. It's a moisturiser with coconut water, prebiotic and probiotic based ingredients. It says formulated to make your skin better. I've tried a few products from the Hangover range, but not this one. The packaging is just adorable, isn't it? It's just beautiful. Hangover Good to Go protects your skin and delivers fast-acting hydration to your skin for a completely glowing complexion. The lightweight dewy moisturiser is a daily source of antioxidants while shielding you from harmful UVA, UVB rays. So there's that. Next, we've got a whipped for your convenience, a Espresso scrub. Creamy exfoliator for smooth glowing skin, Frank Body. Oh, this one sounds nice. I've tried a few products from Frank Body before, but I haven't had a creamy exfoliator. Normally, they're like a coffee exfoliator. But no, this is creamy. All the benefits without the mess. This skincare specialist take on the original coffee scrub from Frank Body. The formula features a delicious blend of raw sugar granules, antimicrobial cinnamon to promote healing, and roasted coffee grinds to stimulate collagen production. Yeah, much better. It leaves a heck of a mess, the original one. It is good. It leaves your skin feeling amazing. Super, super soft. But yeah, a heck of a mess. This is much better. Next, I got a Factor 50 product, so I'm excited about this. Let's turn it around to the English so I can read it. This is a very high protection, dry touch fluid. This is by Avène. You can see there. You can see it better there. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Dry touch. Perfect. Yeah. What can I tell you about it here? A high protection, SPF 50, water resistant facial sun cream for normal to combination sensitive skin. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Expertly formulated with the brand's patented sensitive complex for broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection. The cream offers unique texture, innovation with next generation silica to offer sweat and sebum absorption. That just sounds amazing. I sweat like a pig. Oh, not on my body. My body's usually fine. But here, I've banged on about it so many times in my videos and I hate it. It's just like my hairline. It's like I've got a tap. And that's why then in the summer, when I'm wearing SPF all the time, but because I'm sweating on my forehead all the time, depending on what I'm doing, then it's getting rid of my sunscreen and then causing pigmentation because the sun is able to get in there. Oh, this sounds brilliant. I am really excited about this. So yeah, really happy. And then lastly, one of my favourite products, Rodial, a vitamin C range. Absolutely love this. Brightening cleanser, brighten and renew, lactic acid, glycolic acid, fruit acid complex. And there's 135 mils here. The whole vitamin C range from Rodial is amazing. Really great at brightening, really great at tackling pigmentation as well. Oh, it's just really great. I really like it. It's really helped my skin over the last couple of years. Especially after I had electrolysis on my skin to get rid of lumps, sebaceous hyperplasia, and I had it done a couple of weeks ago as well, so I've got a few marks on my cheek and on my chin there. So I'm going back to my Rodial products to try and tackle to get rid of the scarring then, or help reduce the scarring. Inject a little sunshine into your routine and brighten your visage with this cooling gel cleanser that transforms into a silky foam on contact with water, containing a much needed hit of vitamin C plus a blend of fruit AHAs, glycolic and lactic acids. The exfoliating formula reveals a smoother complexion. So there you go. So those are all the products in the box. I forgot to mention about the variations. You will either receive Santropay Whipped Mousse or you will receive Santropay Purity Face Mist. Really beautiful. I really like the Purity range, but yeah, I'm happy with this as well. It's a nice little travel size there. So 9 products that have a value of £164. It can be bought for £45, but if you are a subscriber, you can have it for £40. I'd love to hear what you think. I've read comments online. Some of you are saying you preferred last year's to this year. Some of you are saying this is amazing. You bought it straight away. Yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below. For me personally, I love a summer box. I'm obsessed with SPF. SPF tinted creams seem to be a bit of a thing for me, but no, really happy with the Avène, the Factor 50 fluid. Rodial, can't go wrong. Rodial, I love it. The only thing that I might not use is this. Nothing to do with the brand. Lancaster's brilliant. I got a funny feeling I said Lancome. Did I say Lancome when I was telling you initially? I don't know why. It's Lancaster. But yeah, it's just because it's a really low SPF for me personally. But other than that, no, it's not a bad box. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.